Yeah, I want to show how the functionality of the Nutcracker actually cracks the nuts. So okay, we won't put that in the video. Alright, so there is our finished Nutcracker build. We've got the little Christmas tree on the side here. I like the way they use the little angled plates for the Christmas tree on this, and then they've got the little 1x1 pieces for the Christmas lights. You've got the 1x1 tiles on the top for the star. There's your Nutcracker, the main attraction. So you can kind of see he's got his little hat on. We showed you the jaw piece, which is a really cool feature that they actually made that move so it can crack the nuts. And then on the left side here, you've got 3 little Christmas presents. So a very nice little seasonal build. If you're a Lego Brickheadz collector, you'll enjoy this set. Again, it's 180 pieces, and then it's going to retail for $9.99 pretty much at all the large retailers. So if you collect them, pick this one up, add to the collection. I think you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. We got some great videos coming out in the future. We'll see you next time. Later.